Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you about the top 5 success tips. Now, in my opinion, these 5 tips will apply to success in any area of life. So whether your definition of success is losing 20 pounds, whether it's getting a 6-pack, whether it's making $1 million a year, whether it's having a better relationship with your spouse, whether it's having great relationships with your friends, whatever your definition of success is, these 5 tips will help you. Now let's get right into it, okay? Tip number 1 is that you have to work smart and work hard. If you just work hard, okay, you might be, walking a ton, but you're walking in circles. If you just work smart, you might be going in the right direction, but you're only walking a couple feet. You need to work hard and smart. And just with the analogy that I was just talking about, that's similar to walking in the right direction and walking for 10 hours straight. You need to work hard and smart. That will lead to success in whatever it is that you're trying to be successful at, okay? Tip number 2 is to prioritize. Listen, we only have 24 hours in a day. We all have the same amount of hours in a day. Now, yeah, you can cut out some of your sleep and so forth, but we still only have those 24 hours in the day. And with that being said, some days you just can't get everything done with regards to being successful, okay? You have to prioritize. If you want to go to the gym and you want to do 10 different exercises, but you know that you only have time for 8 different exercises, guess what? You have to prioritize the top 8 exercises. If you run a business and you have all of this stuff to do, but you know that you can only do half of it, you have to pick the top 50% of the priority of what you have to do. It's as simple as that. We only have so much time in a day. Tip number 3, look at the big picture. Sometimes you have to take 1 step back to take 5 steps forward. I know the traditional saying is 1 step back to take 2 steps forward, but I believe that if you're trying to be successful, 2 steps won't cut it. You have to take 5 steps forward, even when you take 1 step back. Look at the bigger picture. If you're dealing with a small loss for a bigger win, that's the bigger picture, okay? So many people focus on these tiny little minuscule losses. Okay? And you don't want to be dealing with those losses. Just accept those losses, but focus on winning with the bigger picture. Okay? It's as simple as that. And that can apply once again to anything in life. Let's say you go to the gym and you want to do that specific workout on that machine. Someone is using that machine, so you can't do that exercise, or the machine is broken, so you can't do that exercise. Focus on the bigger picture. Replace that machine with a different exercise that has the same effectiveness, that works the same muscles, and you'll get the same results. Don't dwell on the small losses. Focus on the big wins, okay? Tip number 4 for success is to overwhelm your mind with positivity. Okay, positivity always wins. You need to literally flood your mind with positivity. Think positive thoughts upon positive thoughts upon positive thoughts. Find the light in any situation, okay? If you're driving in a parking lot and someone takes the spot that you were trying to get that's close to the mall, then park in a further spot and understand that there's a positive aspect of it. You're going to get more steps. You're going to get more exercise walking to the mall from that further spot. Therefore, you win because you thought positively, okay? And last but not least, tip number 5 for success in this video is to focus on solving problems. Whenever you want to be successful, you have to solve problems. Now, that's a common phrase in business, but it applies to pretty much every aspect of success. No matter what area of life you want to be successful in, you have to solve problems. So make sure that it's a main focus for you. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what your tips are for success in the comment section down below. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.